I wonder what's in the sales section today. Let's see. Oh, is that protein powder? No way, it's only $9? Oh, I've never seen this. This is awesome. I'm gonna use my food stamps. Yeah, that'll fill me up for the week. Okay, let me ring this up. I think I only have $10 more left for the month, but this is gonna keep me full, so I'll be good. What? Protein powder is not accepted? What? It's rejecting my card. Hold on. Let me try this gum. I mean, it's gum, it's not gonna work, but let me just try it. Wait, the gum is actually accepted? This makes no sense.